Hello and welcome back. I am TBI Journey, and to all of my new viewers, this is the channel where in 2015 I received a traumatic brain injury, and this is how I put my life back together. I'm assuming by now that you guys have read the title of this video, and I don't have any good news at all. At this point of filming, I have 2 days until I go into surgery. A few days after that, I have to pack up my suitcases and head out of state for another situation that's going on. My first game plan was to upload videos to the point that this wouldn't become an issue, but between pain and not feeling well and trying to figure out how to manage and get everything done despite the fact that I'm worn out and tired and exhausted has been a lot, like a lot. And it's been really hard for me to figure out how to manage uploading videos. I've been fighting really hard to get the brain videos out that I've promised because everything hurts the way that it does right now. I do a little bit here and there on the videos, but as of today, this moment, I don't have any of the videos completed. I do hope to work on the video tonight and still be able to hopefully upload the December 3rd video. After I get done with my surgery, I have to go in for lab work to see if whether or not the surgery was successful or whether or not I have to go in for another surgery. And then I forgot what specifically. I know there is something, but something specifically that's supposed to happen within the first week of January. So I know that I'm going to be really busy for most of next month. I guess when I'm uploading it, it'll be this month. But if I can manage to get more videos out, I will. I promise I will work on them all the way up to and including some of my recovery. But I won't work on them to the point of putting my health in jeopardy. I don't think anybody on my channel wants me to put myself in harm's way just to be able to put out a video. I'm trying my best in doing what I can at the immediate moment to get everything situated so that I don't have these situations where if I have to take time off like I'm doing right now, you guys are without videos. I really hope that this time around when I upload the videos after being on break and after being away, that this will be my very last time. And I keep telling you guys that, and I feel so bad. It breaks my heart, but I really wasn't planning on any of this when I created the channel. I was planning on smooth sailing, really, that I would be able to post like every other person on YouTube, that I would be able to make this journey uninterrupted, and I'd be able to grow my community. Instead, it's been health issues and family problems, or challenges, I should say, family challenges, problems is not the way that one should look at the situation at hand. It's a challenge, and we get through challenges. We work through them to the best of our abilities, and we keep moving forward. So I'm not 100% sure how this is going to go with me leaving state, coming back, and then going to do the lab work and follow ups and stuff like that. How quickly I'm going to be able to get videos out, but I'll work on them a little bit here and a little bit there. But I am super excited about the brain videos that I've got. The one video that I'm working on, I think, will definitely reflect what it is that I'm feeling, because to me, I feel the video isn't as great as it could be. But one thing I'm discovering, especially with the video that I've posted recently, that when I don't feel good, I'm starting to reflect that in my videos. So it is one thing that I'm going to hopefully be able to conquer with this time off, of how to continue to produce quality content instead of I'm worried that if I don't put something up that something's going to happen. And I think that's a lot of my problem, is that when I go through these major health things, it just aggravates my anxiety and causes me to, okay, well, I got to get something out. It doesn't matter what it is, I'm just going to get it out. And then I wind up creating not so great content. I was told by a bigger YouTuber who has more of a following that quality is better than quantity. And I kind of really like this mentality, especially with me having struggles with my health. And honestly, I don't know, with the stuff that I've been told that's wrong with me and why I'm going into surgery, if whether or not this is going to be the end all be all, where I go and I get it taken care of. I have this grand and lovely surgery that I'm going to go through, and miraculously everything is fine. I go about my life, and I never have to go and worry about any of that again. I have a really strong feeling that there's at least one more surgery in my future, and I have a really strong feeling it's about my neck. Um, I don't necessarily have any confirmation of that, other than the fact that they told me there is a possibility that I'm looking at a third surgery there. So I'm doing the best I can with the information I've got and with my health the way that I know it is, and the things that I understand this channel desperately needs, and trying to make all that fit together in this perfect, beautiful puzzle. So here I am today, a few days post op. I'm not doing so well. I've been really, really drained and just not feeling so well. But I'd intended to hopefully get some clips of being in the hospital, but it just didn't happen. I broke down crying. I was in tears and so much pain when I came out of my surgery that it wasn't the high point of any of it. I was more worried about the pain. Um, Laying in bed, crying just out of surgery was just a little too much. You're not allowed to shower for a few days after you get done with the surgery. I don't know right yet if I actually said, but I had my gallbladder removed. I had a 9 millimeter stone that was causing a lot of discomfort. So I'll be healing from that for the next few days. Weeks, actually. They said 3 weeks before you basically go back to what you were, or at least your baseline. But I did my best to try and get some footage, but hopefully this will work. I'm greasy, I'm gross, I'm not showered, I've still got a lot of healing I have left to do. My hair keeps getting in my mouth. It's nasty and gross. But I'm back home. I've been trying to eat and sleep and stay off my feet as much as possible. If I feel I can do it, I do it. You know, like making myself food and getting myself dressed and stuff like that. If I feel like I can do it, I do it. But I try really hard to just lay in bed and relax and give my body the best chance that it can to bounce back from this. It's a pretty big deal. You see, I've had some problems sleeping. I'm not sleeping so well. The pain is keeping me up, even though I've got pain pills. They said that the pills are just so that you can manage your pain, but not necessarily not feel it. And so it just disrupts my sleep, which is basically the reason why I had the surgery in the first place, because I wasn't getting very good sleep. But I'm gonna upload this, and I will see you guys in the new year most likely, because next month I'm leaving state for a little while, and then it'll be Christmas, and then after that it'll be the new year. So I wish everyone a very happy and safe new year. Within this particular moment in my life, my health has to come first. It's the most important thing. And I really, really hope that with you watching this video today that you understand that there's situations beyond my control that are happening, and these situations need to come first. I'm not 100% sure when I'm going to be posting this video, so I will leave this in 2 ways. Have a very wonderful week, and if I'm posting this on Friday, have a very safe and healthy weekend. Bye.